Hello everyone, welcome back to Renovation Education. I know it's been a few weeks since I put out a video. I've been busy, so let's jump into it, this 2-minute tip Tuesday video. Okay, so in today's 2-minute tip, we're going to be talking about how to cut in carpet. This is a quick, easy tip. Not only is it quick, it also makes a better job and it looks a lot better. So this is how you cut in where there's carpet. I'm going to use my stairs because it's easy to demonstrate. So how do you get a good cut in line here? I like to use an old broad knife, just something that's old that I don't use anymore. And the trick is you want to shove this in between the carpet and the wall and then just go ahead and paint it. Okay, so here is the wall we're going to cut in. You're simply just going to put your knife in, push the carpet down, go in there, cut it in. Make sure you kind of smooth out your brush strokes so you don't see them. Pop it off and you're done. That's it. So like I said before, that is a quick, easy way to go ahead and cut in carpet. You can even use like a big broad knife like one of these or a smaller one, any size you want. I just use my old ones because if you get a nick in them when you're trying to skim out a wall, they're no good. So that's when I switch them over to go ahead and use for cutting in carpet. This will work for just about any kind of carpet you want. It's very easy, very simple to do, and it makes your cutting lines look a lot better so you don't actually see where you cut in at all. And also it prevents getting paint on the carpet itself. So I hope you liked today's 2-minute video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And we have a new video coming out this Friday too about Rigid Tools Lifetime Service Agreement, what that is. So make sure you stay tuned for that, and we will see you next time on Renovation Education.